have studied in Islamic accounting at UIN Syed Jamil Tinggi with my experience handling financial data during my internship.
Why do you want to work here?
Because this company fits my career goals in accounting.
What motivates you in accounting?
I enjoy numbers, accuracy, and structured work.
What are your strengths?
Detail-oriented, fast-learned, and organized.
What are your weaknesses?
Sometimes too detailed, but I manage it with time limits.
How do you handle pressure?
By prioritizing tasks and focusing on deadlines.
Give an example of a difficult situation.
I honestly handle many transactions and finish them accurately with a clear workflow.
Can you work in a team?
Yes, especially in accounting tasks.
What contribution as accounting staff?
Accurate bookkeeping, neat documentation, and adaptability.
Where should we help you?
I'm disciplined, accurate, and ready to support financial operation.
Salary expectation.
I'm flexible and open to the company ranks.
Okay, thank you, Aka.
Thank you, Miss.